Because if we push this one down, I'm pretty sure we're okay.
Yeah.
Yo, t'es avec CD?
I'm making a TikTok out of this.